everybody. Road Trip Dave here, coming at you from Spencer, North Carolina. And we're about to load on the Polar Express train. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. The Polar Express train ride is actually done at the North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer, North Carolina. And we happen to get tickets for it. Dave's Roadies, you know the drill. Make sure you choke slam the like button for this video, leave a comment, and also share it with others. As we're still waiting on traffic, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to know when I post new videos. And last but not least, while we're taking a look at one of the Polar Express trains, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My links are in the description below. Now, when you park your car, you're actually coming into the entrance of the loading area. That's the Christmas tree lights. And there's also a petting farm there in a boxcar, which is pretty cool. And then we come to the station and some of the other areas. Here's our gate, the Vixen gate, and we're loading up right here. Now, this train is actually the early train. This train departs at 5:30. The one that we have the tickets for departs at 6:15, but they told us to get here early, so here we are. We'll see this one pull out in just a couple of seconds.
There's the caboose.
That's my ticket to ride right here. So this says to arrive at 5:30. Our train comes in at 6:15. So that's what we're going to check out right now. As you can see, they actually use parts of the story and integrate them in this ride, so this is really cool. They use the main kid characters as well as the conductor, and you'll see a couple of the other characters from the movie of the Polar Express here. This is really cool. The train ride takes you on old passenger cars that are beautifully decorated, and you get to see segments of the movie within the car. It's pretty neat. Hot chocolate! Hot chocolate. Just had the hot chocolate song, and now they're going to give us some hot chocolate and chocolate chip cookies. So let's get it. So we have the know-it-all kid The other kid and the hero kid just came by. Very cool. Here's a chocolate chip cookie, Polar Express, along with the hot chocolates. Pretty good deal. And during our trip to the North Pole, they actually read the original Polar Express story.
I can too.
Look at that.
Look, yeah. Hey, everyone, say elves, and another way you can make them appear. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Elves! Did we do it? Are they coming? Did we do it? Anyone? Yeah, we did it! We did it!
Alright guys, we will be unloading the train.
Okay, so apparently we've arrived.
Okay, but I'm
Let us see what we see.
Talk to a special elf for me. Tell them we all said hello. All my elf friends, I said hi, please. I haven't seen them in a year.
So the train actually takes you to the Transportation Museum, which is done up just like the North Pole in the movie, The Polar Express. It looks fantastic.
Would you like to play reindeer game?
Well, thank you.
Pick me, Santa. What are you doing?
All right, we got to see Santa, got to see the elves, and as you can tell, they have a really awesome, they did a fantastic job putting this together. So for all the guys, for all you people out there, the guys and gals over there at the Department of Transportation, the train museum, you guys did awesome. Now when you're loading back up on the train, I figured I'd take a nice long shot of the train at the station as we're loading back up to go back home from the North Pole. This is another cool part. Santa Claus actually shows up and gives everybody bells. Now when the train ride is over, they actually unload you on another side of the museum, and it has different shops, a big souvenir store, also a place where you could see Santa Claus and get your picture done, and there's even a section where you can watch the Polar Express movie. Get some hot chocolate while you're doing it too. It's pretty awesome. Again, I want to tell all the people over at the North Carolina Transportation Museum that they did a fantastic job of putting this Polar Express ride together. It really was magical. Here's the area where you can actually look at the movie and take a look at a few train models too. Next, we'll go to the souvenir store. Here's just a brief look of the souvenir store while we were waiting in line for Santa. They have ornaments, calendars, even the soundtrack and the movie, and it's all for sale. And for the end, we got to take a walk through a Christmas light show as we get back to our car. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas vlog here at the Polar Express ride, Dave's Roadies. Until next time, laters.